A high-pressure water jet nozzle makes car cleaning faster, removes stubborn dirt efficiently, saves water, and delivers a spotless, scratch-free finish. My today's video is about top 5 best water jet nozzles for car cleaning that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Renko Upgraded Jet Nozzle. This hydrojet washer wand is a practical cleaning tool for homeowners who want a simple way to improve the performance of a standard garden hose. It includes 2 quick connectors, 2 interchangeable spray nozzles, and all the necessary accessories for easy setup without requiring extra adapters. The fan-shaped nozzle is ideal for rinsing large surfaces, while the linear nozzle delivers a more concentrated stream for stubborn dirt on vehicles, patios, windows, and outdoor furniture. Built with solid copper connectors, a durable metal wand, a thickened control switch, and a comfortable anti-slip handle, it offers reliable performance while resisting rust, corrosion, and everyday wear. It's important to note that the spray pressure depends on your home's water supply, so pairing it with a pump or pressure washer can significantly increase cleaning power. Combined with responsive customer support and durable construction, this washer wand is a dependable, versatile, and budget-friendly solution for everyday outdoor cleaning tasks. Now our second product is Rovia High-Pressure Hose Nozzle. This high-pressure hose nozzle is a versatile outdoor cleaning tool that combines durability, convenience, and adjustable performance. Its powerful water flow makes everyday cleaning easier, whether you're washing your car, rinsing patios, cleaning driveways, or maintaining outdoor furniture. The sturdy metal construction provides excellent durability, while the ergonomic grip ensures comfortable handling during extended use. One of its standout features is the 4 adjustable spray modes. With a simple twist, you can switch between jet, fan, mist, and shower patterns to match different tasks. The concentrated jet tackles stubborn dirt. The fan spray covers larger areas efficiently. The mist is gentle enough for delicate plants, and the shower mode is ideal for routine watering and light cleaning. The secure hose connection helps minimize leaks and maintains consistent water flow throughout use. Suitable for everything from vehicle washing and garden care to pet bathing and yard maintenance, this nozzle offers dependable performance and impressive versatility, making it a practical addition to any home or garden cleaning routine. Our third product is Pocket Hose Aero Customizable Spray Nozzle. This multi-purpose water nozzle is a smart upgrade for anyone looking to maximize the cleaning power of a standard garden hose. It includes 4 precision spray tips: jet stream, triple blast, flat spray, and wide stream, allowing you to choose the ideal spray pattern for everything from heavy-duty cleaning to gentle watering. The exclusive red jet stream tip produces a concentrated, high-velocity stream that effectively removes stubborn mud, grime, and debris while reaching elevated areas, such as second-story windows, without requiring electricity. Its versatility extends well beyond vehicle washing. It easily cleans patios, siding, garden tools, sliding door tracks, driveways, and outdoor furniture, while the wider spray patterns are perfect for watering flowers and rinsing delicate surfaces. Constructed with a rust-resistant gun head and an ergonomic non-slip handle, it offers durability, comfort, and reliable control during extended use. Lightweight yet sturdy, this nozzle delivers dependable everyday performance, making outdoor cleaning and garden maintenance faster, easier, and more efficient. Now number 4, Resmo Garden Hose Nozzle. This heavy-duty garden hose nozzle is built for users who want durability, versatility, and reliable performance in one tool. Constructed from 100% powder-coated metal, it offers excellent resistance to rust, corrosion, and everyday wear, while the shock-resistant rubberized bezel helps protect it from accidental drops. Compared to standard plastic nozzles, it provides a longer service life and a more premium feel. The nozzle features 7 spray patterns, including jet, shower, flat, center, cone, full, and mist, making it suitable for a wide range of tasks. From blasting dirt off patios and driveways to gently watering flowers and delicate plants, it adapts effortlessly to different needs. An adjustable flow control knob lets you fine-tune water pressure for greater efficiency and reduced water waste. Its ergonomic, non-slip TPR grip and trigger lock minimize hand fatigue during extended use. Compatible with all standard 3/4-inch garden hoses, the leak-resistant design ensures a secure connection, making this nozzle a dependable choice for everyday outdoor cleaning and gardening. And our last choice is Fonhau Garden Hose Nozzle Heavy Duty. This solid metal garden hose nozzle is designed to provide long-lasting durability and effortless operation for a variety of outdoor tasks. Made from 100% metal with a baked enamel finish, it resists rust, corrosion, and everyday wear, while the shock-resistant rubberized bezel helps protect it from accidental drops. Its sturdy construction makes it a more reliable alternative to typical plastic nozzles. The standout thumb control design allows you to adjust water flow without squeezing a trigger, reducing hand fatigue and making it especially comfortable during extended use. With 8 adjustable spray patterns, you can easily switch from a powerful jet for cleaning driveways, patios, and vehicles to a gentle shower for watering flowers, lawns, and delicate plants. A non-slip rubber grip provides secure handling even when wet, improving comfort and control. Compatible with all standard 3/4-inch garden hoses without requiring adapters, this versatile nozzle combines durability, convenience, and dependable performance, making it an excellent choice for everyday gardening and outdoor cleaning. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.